What's up? Dustin here. Got some news. Got Livroni formula in the mail today. Been wanting to try this for a while and finally went and bought it. However, I bought it last week and then this week I had a little bit of a problem. Broke my hand, broke 2 bones in my hand right here. So the doctor said can't work out. Like anything that I have to hold my hand in for about 4 weeks, which is not good at all. I'm pretty pissed about that. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be reviewing the Livroni formula. As soon as I'm better, as soon as I can work out 100%, I'll add this in pre-workout. And I'll post up a review, let you guys know exactly what I think. I have high expectations for the product. I've been a fan of the TLR for a while. Everybody on there seems to like it, so I'm going to give it a try. It's a little bit more expensive, but the max dosage is 1 scoop, so it's a little bit misleading when you compare it to other pre-workouts because it's like two scoops or 3 scoops. So we'll see, but I'll keep you guys informed. See you later.